you know that seagulls are made for life? I think it's great you'd be my wife if we were birds. You might think that's a bit absurd, but their lives are shorter, so they have to love quick or be deterred. Did you know that seagulls return to the first nest they built to lay their eggs in spring? And I beg you to learn that I will bring myself back to that nest we built on our own. Can a seagull fly? Is it far enough to spread my wings and take to the sky, right across the map to reach you? Did you know that seagulls can't be found on every continent in this blue world? But I can only find you, girl, in that place I left you, but I swear I'll be back before you know. Did you know that seagulls will stand on the earth to imitate the rain and bring out worms? And I am warning you that I will stamp all over the earth to get to you. And how far can a seagull fly? Is it far enough to spread my wings and take to the sky, right across the map to reach you? Did you know that seagulls are great communicators? I'll tell you later when I reach you. When I reach you. And how far can a seagull fly? Is it far enough to spread my wings and take to the sky and right across the map to reach you? To reach you, to reach you.